Can a reality TV star truly get his groove back after hitting rock bottom? Tom Schwartz certainly made a splash on the Valley Season 3 premiere, dropping some major tea about his life falling apart post-Scandival, with his bar closing and finances in shambles. But hold on to your Jagger bombs, because the man is apparently back with a sparkle and ready to mingle. In a jaw-dropping moment, our boy Tom wasted no time getting flirty with fellow cast member Michelle Saniei at Kristen Dout and Nia Sanchez's Sip NC party. He even tried to woo her with a cringe-worthy "How Stella Got Her Groove Back" reference, hinting at Michelle's own recent divorce drama. The two bonded over their similar journeys and shared belief in love, igniting a clear, albeit awkward spark. While Brittany Cartwright and Jasmine Good were totally here for the potential new romance, Kristen Dout, ever the shade queen, famously quipped that Michelle is a fine French wine. Tom's a Jaeger bomb at a sports bar. Ouch. What do you think this new flirtation means for the Valley? Tune in next week to find out, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the hottest celebrity gossip and exclusive insights.
Celebrity drama never sleeps, and neither do we. Stay tuned.